Now would be a perfect time for you to turn into Alien X! That's exactly what I'm gonna draw. Alright guys, in this video, we're gonna draw Alien X from the Ben 10 reboot. I'm sure you guys have already seen me draw Alien X in the past, but this version of Alien X, he's a lot different than the one you know. You see, this version of Alien X is from the reboot, and, well, he's a celestial sapien from the Forge of Creation, and he has 3 consciousnesses. In the original, there were 3 of them. There's Serena, Bellicus, and of course, Ben, the voice of reason. Okay, so anyways, Alien X is actually a version of Ben from another timeline where he lost his family, Gwen and Grandpa Max, to Vilgax when he blasted that huge laser beam at them. He was so angry and upset that he smashed his own Omnitrix when he was 4 arms. He destroyed it so that Vilgax wouldn't get his hands on it. And when he did, it exploded, transforming him into the celestial sapien Alien X. He wanted to prove to them that he didn't need others. And he wanted to prove it to the entire Omniverse. That moment, he's been stealing Omnitrixes from other beds from other timelines. Especially one where Gwen went to summer school. I mean, seriously, who picks summer school over a road trip? I hate that place. And you should too. It should be called summer camp. Anyways, when drawing Alien X, you must draw the head and the horns on top of his head. Next, you must draw the Omnitrix marks on his chest. There's 3 of them, including the original Ben's. Here we go. And when he steals an Omnitrix, he uses this tentacle-like hand to remove the Omnitrix from Ben's hand, and he even does a huge damage to his arm. And, well, there's this man named, well, it's actually Grandpa Max from an alternate future, and he's trying to keep track of Alien X and get back at him for what he did to the Ben Tennyson in his timeline. The Omniverse timeline. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
I mean, celestial sapiens are supposed to be healers, not destroyers. They are meant to revive and bestow life onto those who have fallen. They are definitely meant to be something with a good purpose. There we go. Alien. There we go. There we go. Now we just draw the Omnitrix marks on his arms here. Hey guys, how about this for a awesome revelation? Alien X as Ultra Instinct. Wouldn't that be an awesome idea? That'd be mind-blowingly unstoppable. There we go. I hope Alien X stars in his very own movie. That would be awesome. Alexa, play Big Bang Mission. Alexa, play Big Bang Mission.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Miura Jam on Amazon Music.
There we go. And there we go. You know, when I first saw Alien X, I thought that all the Bens from the multiple Omniverse timelines would merge together their Omnitrixes into one super being called Alien X in order to take on a bad guy. You remember Eon, right? I thought Eon was going to be in the final special, and I wasn't expecting it to be like this. And there he is. That's how you draw Alien X. I've always wanted to draw this man. And well, his body is always sensitive and reacts autonomously to danger, and that's one of the main reasons why I like Alien X and Ultra Instinct. Okay guys, I'm glad you guys are here to see me draw this amazing character. Better bring on the subscriptions, because I'm coming for ya. Come at me, bros! Yes, come.